Today I'm starting a new project, so I'm changing my setting a bit to talk to you about it. Okay, this project, right, is one that I'm super excited over. Yeah, I mean it's like I'm excited over most of my projects lah. Rarely do I start a project not feeling excited. If that's the case, then something is super wrong already, super duper wrong. So this project, right, I will show you later, is actually very interesting because the brief given to me was a very normal Scandi Japanese brief. But then I look at my client's pattern, right? Then I told myself, no way this will be a normal Scandi Japanese home because my client is too larger than life character, I feel lah, to just meekly accept a normal Scandi house, normal cozy Scandi house. So I told her, let's not do that lah. Let's do something that is more fun, that suits your personality better, suit your style better. And she gamely embraced it. So I presented my ideas, and the rest is history. What I will take you through later is the whole pre-reno tour, so that you can see how it looks before we take down the walls. Okay, so a quick guide to what's going to happen. We are going to hack this wall, hack down and hack this wall, but because there's a beam running through, so we can only hack from here to the beam, right? And why we want to hack these walls is because we are going to combine these two areas into one, okay? And our concept is interesting and refreshing. So I won't tell you all what is going to happen, but 重点 is this will still be the study for my client, but because it's combined, it will look bigger, this whole space, yet my client has a choice to close this place up to work if need be, right? Oh, I forgot to mention. So after we hack these two walls, right, so this whole thing will be one big space, correct? This one will be one big space. We will have a raised platform in this side. That means where this room is, no more walls, but we have a raised platform, storage platform. So my client can go up and work there. So this whole space will be in line with the whole concept lah. Hence, it's the interesting part that I can't wait to do. So here is the dining area. Again, a lot of unnecessary walls, so we are going to hack this wall so that it's an open kitchen. And we are also going to hack this and this, which is not so common because most of homeowners will still want the utility yard, right, to do their stuff like laundry, and then cooking also won't kena the clothes, right? But as you can see, this kitchen is small until it's really very small. It's like a kitchenette. So our solution is to really open up the space so that there's more possibility of more unusual utilization. Okay, so imagine this wall being down, this wall being down, this wall being down. The whole space will open up, and we'll have kitchen cabinets running from here all the way to the end. Of course, bomb shelter can't do anything lah. Can't do anything. But there's always the option to clad the walls, which now is a question mark for the time being. And with regards to taking this wall down, like I mentioned, there are a lot of beams. So where beams are, like for example this one, you cannot hack. So we can only hack this part, correct? So after hacking this, we also want to hack this wall, because like I say, this whole thing will be removed, this whole wall. We will be seeing pipes. But the plan is to put a fridge here, and then we will find ways to hide whatever can be seen in terms of the pipes. So that is the tricky part lah. But you know, we will solve it as we go along. So okay, window wise, because now there won't be any walls already, right? This whole thing is one big kitchen. That means whatever cabinets, right, are subjected to weather exposure. So my client's plan is to do windows here at the ledge. So that will solve the problem lah. So I really can't wait. So for this master bedroom, the plan is again pretty simple. We are just keeping it as a bedroom line, you know, nothing funny, except that the decor will go in line with the whole look. So queen bed head will have some nice posters, and then wardrobe. Then because HDB very smart lah, again do a window in the middle of nowhere. So our wardrobe got to stop short. Really got to stop short. Okay. So tiny wardrobe, but room size I think is decent lah for BTO. And the view is very nice. So really can't wait to finish this one. So all the bathroom, as usual lah, the BTO bathrooms are CMI one. Like told you right, all the stripes. It's like, who the hell does all this anymore? 1980s leh. So HDB should really review your choices of material. I mean, not like cheap things cannot buy nice ones ah. This one is cheap and not nice. So finally, this will be the second bedroom. Okay? Many things gonna happen here. There will be a Murphy bed. Murphy beds are beds where you keep when you don't need to use. Then there will be wardrobe, overhung cabinet, and desk. So I think the main thing is really, this is the common bathroom. You see the stripes are ugly as hell. So I think 重点 is how this whole space here will transform lah.你躺一下啦，看你 takes how long for 你的身体土洋。
他应该经验过了。可以 MC 了，
可以。不要我可以做快点吗？不要 MC。You see, how do I tell you about this house without telling you too much? Okay, it has got to do with dogs. But yet, we are not talking about my clients having lots of dogs. She only partially owned one dog. the whole direction, right, is still cozy, and there are and there's a different format to it lah. Because I really want to pack a story into this whole project. Can't wait to show you guys. This one is after doing, right. Those who like Quirky Scandi will have a smile on your face lah, because I will bring in funny elements, and I think y'all will appreciate the silliness of this whole thing. I mean, what's common without some silliness, right? So yeah, that's going to be it.